Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Look what Walter has on the workbench. So, a business locally was advertising these granite stair treads. They're 1.25 inches thick, 3 foot long, 12 inches wide, or thereabouts. So I went up and I took my trusty straight edge with me to try and see how flat they might be. They're not perfectly flat, but if I take my 1,500 feeler gauge goes under there, it doesn't go under anywhere there. It is probably flat enough. There's a little gap there. I go on a diagonal. Yep. So I would say, for the most part, if all I'm going to do is use it as a reference to test. See, now there it's, so this end I wouldn't trust. Although I know this is absolutely boring, but for $15, I may now have a surface plate that I can flatten for the most part, test and flatten hand planes on. Sometimes you have to look around and see what's available. That's a good chunk of granite. They had thicker ones, but I was also thinking about what I could pick up. So we need to probably make a shelf for that, and maybe try affixing some sandpaper to it and see how it does lapping the soles of some hand planes. So that's about it, everybody. Walter out.